Here's something fascinating about Japan. Only 12 to 15% of the country's land is suitable for farming, and the average farmer is 66 years old. With limited space and an aging workforce, Japan is turning to robots for a helping hand. One such robot is Agrist, designed to make farming easier by assisting with harvesting. It even wowed visitors at CES 2023 with its impressive artificial intelligence. Using cameras, Agrist can harvest crops like bell peppers with amazing precision, down to 0.04 inches. But this robot does more than just harvest. It also monitors crop growth, providing useful tips to farmers when needed. Agrist glides around the farm on a wire system, meaning it won't damage the soil or disturb the crops. This smart robot is a perfect fit for nearly any farm, helping to ease the workload while maximizing land use. With robots like Agrist, Japan is finding high-tech solutions to boost productivity and make farming more efficient, ensuring that every bit of land is used to its full potential. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of farming. Introducing the sleek black tandem axle wheel, the perfect blend of style and functionality. Designed for durability, this wheel is built to handle heavy loads while providing a smooth ride. Its striking black finish adds a modern touch, making it an attractive choice for trailers, boats, or any other heavy-duty vehicles. The BMW i Vision D is an exciting glimpse into the future of smart cars. Designed to enhance the driving experience, this innovative vehicle showcases a unique blend of technology and creativity. One of its standout features is the flexible exterior, which allows you to change the car's color on demand, making it possible to customize its look for any occasion. Inside, the iVision D offers a high-tech dashboard equipped with an augmented reality display that provides important information in a fun and interactive way. This allows drivers to stay connected while focusing on the road ahead. The cabin is designed for comfort and ease, featuring eco-friendly materials that make you feel good about your choices. BMW has integrated advanced AI technology into the iVision D, allowing the car to learn your preferences and adapt to your needs over time. This makes every journey personal and enjoyable. The Decathlon Racer 500 Compass is perfect for anyone who loves orienteering, an exciting activity where you navigate through unfamiliar routes using checkpoints. This compass is designed specifically for that, making it an essential tool for outdoor adventurers. One of its coolest features is the thumb attachment, which allows you to read the compass easily while keeping your eyes on the map. This hands-free design helps you navigate smoothly and efficiently. Plus, it's stable, so you can rely on it even when you're on the move. Another handy feature is the extra scale at the top, which lets you quickly measure the distance to your destination based on the map scale. Meet the earlyrider Super Velio, a fantastic bike designed specifically for toddlers aged 10 to 24 months. This innovative bike is a game changer for helping little ones develop their balance and coordination. One of the best features of the Velio is its adjustable seat. Introducing the EcoFlow Blade, the world's first robotic lawnmower. This incredible device takes the hassle out of lawn care, making it easier than ever to keep your yard looking great. Priced at around $3,000, you might wonder if it's worth the splurge. The blade is designed to cut grass at heights from 20 to 76 millimeters and has a cutting width of 25 centimeters. It can handle slopes of up to 27 degrees and smartly navigates around rocks and other obstacles, making lawn mowing a breeze. You can easily control the mower with the EcoFlow app. Just set the boundaries of the area you want it to mow, and you can track its progress right from your phone. If it starts to rain, the mower automatically stops, returns to recharge, and waits for the rain to pass. For extra security, it features 4G and GPS to protect against theft and ensure precise operation. Plus, it operates quieter than many vacuum cleaners and can run for up to 4 hours on a single charge, even in temperatures as high as 45 degrees Celsius. So, is the EcoFlow blade the perfect solution for your lawn care needs? The X Pro winter tents are ideal for adventurous trips with friends, especially in freezing locations like Siberia, where temperatures can dip below 0 degrees Celsius for nearly 9 months each year. There are 2 standout options designed to keep you cozy even in the harshest conditions. First up is the XPR Winter 2 tent, which comfortably fits 4 people. It sets up in just 2 minutes, so you won't waste any time when you arrive at your campsite. With 6 frost-resistant windows, you can enjoy fresh air while staying shielded from the cold. Weighing 24 kilograms, it's priced at $541, making it a solid choice for smaller groups looking for quick and reliable shelter. The second option is the XPR Winter Yurt, which can hold up to 5 people. Just like the Winter 2, it sets up in 2 minutes and is slightly heavier at 25 kilograms. This spacious tent is priced at $610. Both tents are built to endure tough winter weather, ensuring you and your friends can enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. Whether you choose the Winter 2 or the Yurt, you're in for a great winter camping experience. Introducing the HPZ VR G2, once celebrated as the world's most powerful wearable PC. Developed by HP and priced at $4,000, it's designed for businesses and professionals who need a top-notch virtual reality experience. Here's what makes it special. It packs an NVIDIA Quadro P3200 16GB graphics card, an Intel Core i7-7820HQ processor, which can be overclocked to 3.9 GHz, up to 32 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. This powerhouse is built to handle even the most demanding VR applications with ease. Weighing under 5 kilograms and running for up to 90 minutes on a single charge, it's both portable and practical. Plus, it works seamlessly with popular VR headsets like the Oculus Rift, making it perfect for a range of immersive experiences. Did you know that King Maximilian II of Bavaria once supposedly lost the state treasury in a game of pool against his own treasurer? While that story is up for debate, let's dive into something exciting and real: the Pool Live AR project. This awesome augmented reality setup uses a projector and camera to see how the cues and balls are arranged on the table. It then gives you helpful advice to improve your shots and keeps track of the score, making it a fantastic tool for players at any level. But here's the fun part. It's connected to social media. You can snap a picture of the current game situation and share it online, allowing your friends to vote on your next move. This interactive twist makes playing pool even more enjoyable and engaging for everyone. The creators of Pool Live AR believe that both experienced players and newcomers will find it interesting and fun. Whether you want to sharpen your skills or just enjoy a unique experience with friends, Pool Live AR is sure to take your game to the next level. Get ready for an unforgettable time. Samsung is pushing foldable tech to new heights with its Flex Hybrid technology. Unlike the current Galaxy Z Fold, this device can not only fold, but also twist its screen, making gadget design limited only by the creator's imaginations. Picture a smartphone that can unfold into a laptop-sized display. While there's no official release date yet, leaks and concept designs give us a sneak peek into what might be coming. The Flex Hybrid could have a 10.5-inch screen with a 4:3 aspect ratio that can expand to 12.4 inches with a 16:10 aspect ratio, ideal for bigger displays when needed. This innovation could redefine how we use smartphones, offering a dynamic and adaptable experience. Experts believe that Samsung's next-generation devices will feature this cutting-edge tech, making it a game-changer in the mobile world. However, as one observer humorously pointed out, it's funny to think that in just a few years, even this breakthrough tech might seem outdated. Introducing SmartDrive, a game-changing wheelchair upgrade designed to make mobility easier and more enjoyable for people with disabilities. Weighing just 6 kilograms, this device helps users travel up to 20 kilometers on a single charge at speeds of up to 9 kilometers per hour, making longer trips less tiring. Built to handle all weather conditions, SmartDrive performs well in temperatures ranging from pat 25 to 50 degrees Celsius. It can easily conquer slopes up to 10 degrees and navigate over curves, offering smooth rides on various surfaces. What's even cooler? The SmartDrive app provides detailed insights about your journeys, tracking distance, speed, and more. It's also compatible with the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch, so you can control it right from your wrist, adding an extra layer of convenience. With SmartDrive, wheelchair users can enjoy longer strolls with less effort, making everyday outings more comfortable and freeing. Whether you're exploring the park or cruising around town, this upgrade is designed to reduce fatigue and enhance independence, helping you go further with ease. Introducing Bell, an incredible robotic fish designed for underwater filming and sample collection. This innovative project was completed in just a year by a talented team of students from ETH Zurich in Switzerland. Measuring about a meter in length, Bell is equipped with artificial intelligence that allows it to navigate its aquatic environment effectively. One of Bell's standout features is its unique silicone fin, which contains 2 water-filled compartments. This design enables the robot to swim naturally and quietly, ensuring it doesn't scare away underwater creatures while it works. The primary goal of Bell is to assist marine biologists in studying reef ecosystems that are facing threats from overfishing, pollution, and climate change. By using this robotic fish, scientists can gather valuable data without disturbing marine life, helping them to better understand the health of our oceans. This project showcases the power of technology in environmental research and conservation, highlighting how innovative solutions can help protect our precious marine ecosystems. With Bell swimming through the waters, the future of underwater exploration looks promising. Video calls are useful, but they often lack that face-to-face connection we crave. That's where Wehead steps in, the first device designed for 3D meetings to make virtual conversations feel more lifelike. Imagine being able to move your head and the device mirrors your movements, giving the impression that you're really there. Wehead features 4 AMOLED screens displaying your face, along with a 10-watt speaker and microphone to ensure clear audio during calls.